Hacksaw. A hacksaw is a hand-held cutting tool with a narrow, toothed blade stretched within a frame. It's primarily used for cutting metal, but can also cut other materials like plastic and wooden. Hacksaw frame. The main part of the hacksaw is its frame, which is in C shape. It has a fixed screw on one end, which has a peen on the inside and a handle on the outside. A sliding screw is fitted on the other end, which has a peen on the inside of the frame, which is called a prong, and a fly nut is fitted on the outside. Hacksaw blade. The cutting part of a hacksaw is the hacksaw blade. It is in the shape of a strip, both ends of which are cut in a round shape. There are peen holes on both its ends, with the help of which it is fitted in the hacksaw frame. It has teeth cut on both or one side, which are inclined in one direction. Carbon steel, high-carbon steel, high-speed steel are used for hacksaw blades. After cutting the teeth and making holes, it is hardened and tempered. Sometimes, the whole portion is also annealed. The length of hacksaw blade is usually 8 inch, 10 and 12. The thickness of the blade is 0.6 mm to 0.8 mm and the width is 12 mm to 16 mm. The pitch of the hacksaw blade is the distance between its two adjacent teeth. Generally, coarse pitch, medium pitch or thin pitch blades are used in hacksaws. The coarse pitch is 1.5 to 2.0 mm, medium pitch is 1 to 1.5 mm and fine pitch is 0.8 to 1 mm. There are 3 types of blades based on the taper given on the teeth. Oil hard blade, half hard blade, flexible blade.